From CMV Interior Designs, and this is
Bea.
Darren's.
So today, we will take you to yung new episode na ginagawa namin, which is Behind the Build. So this initiative kasi, nagkaroon kami ng idea ng team to take you behind the scenes ng sa construction site and yung team behind the stunning projects and completed projects of CMV Interior Designs. So here you will experience and you will immerse sa progress, sa phases ng design, like the production, the construction site, and really want to highlight the people na talagang nagbe-build nung design. Kasi aside dun sa aesthetic na ginagawa namin or dun sa value ng design na ginagawa namin, I think malaking role ang ginagawang panan ng mga contractors, builders, foreman, painter, and skilled workers to make the dream home possible. So today, I'm going to introduce to you our team member behind this idea and making this whole content possible. So I'm going to introduce to you Darren.
So hi everyone. So because every design an excitement happens. So the scenes and the stories behind creating spaces into their dream and a long-lasting intention to our clients. We are not just building, but we are aiming for a story that will last for a lifetime.
And also kasama namin sa project na to is si Bea, and siya yung aming host and sa a lot of series together with Darren's. Kumbaga, ang setup nito is more on casual interview with our contractors, with their team members. So I'm going to introduce to you naman ngayon si Bea, our host.
Hi guys! So we're excited to take you behind the scenes. So since every design starts with a dream, and through collaboration and expert execution, these dreams become a reality. So a space that reflects the personality and lifestyle ng mga clients natin, and with the help also ng mga trusted contractors natin, mas nakikita natin yung implementation and then yung completion with the client satisfaction. So we can wait to share with you the behind the scenes, so you can see also the project timeline.
So we are excited to take you behind the scenes and share the untold stories of the dedicated contractors, which ginagawa nila ang lahat upang bigyan ng satisfaction hindi lamang ang kanilang gawa, kundi ang resulta ng bawat disenyo na ginagawa ng CMV Interior Designs at maging realidad ang vision ng bawat isa.
So stay tuned lang kayo for our upcoming episodes na binubuo namin, and mas makikita nyo yung mga real stories, real experiences ng mga nakaka-work namin sa project site, and yung mga expertise and tips na makukuha ninyo and also to appreciate the design even better. So I hope that mas marami kayong matutunan and ma-inspire kayo with our behind the build episode the upcoming coming months.
So that's it, guys. So stay tuned for the episodes as we continue to share the real stories, insights, and inspiration behind every build.
So don't forget to like and subscribe and hit our notifications bell for more upcoming videos and updates. Thank you!
Again, this is CMV Interior Designs, making dreams reality.